plus principles. What is relation between Alcoa and good documentation practice? Good documentation practice refers to the systematic and comprehensive approach to recording and documenting all activities related to the production, testing, and distribution of pharmaceutical products. And Alcoa, on the other hand, is a set of principles that guide the creation and maintenance of documentation to ensure data integrity and reliability. Alcoa is a set of guiding principles outlined by the FDA that helps govern data integrity in the manufacturing industry. It was established in 2018 as guidance for manufacturers responsible for data integrity as outlined by 21 CFR Part 11. The term Alcoa is an acronym entailing the various principles as defined by the FDA. It stands for attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. By embracing these principles across a company's data management system, businesses can ensure that the data they're collecting is accurate and that outlined processes are being correctly followed. Let's dive